Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use camera timer on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 4 dot icon and you will see this is timer icon. Click on timer icon. If you want to use camera timer, so select 2 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Click on 2 seconds, click on picture. You will see after 2 seconds you will see picture from here, and you will see after select 5 seconds. After 5 seconds you will see picture is captured. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use camera timer on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.